Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account to temporarily, and this method almost works for all Android and iOS platforms. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and don't forget to sign in your account details. So now in this homepage section, in bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press your profile icon and the final one of circle icon, and it shows my Insta profile informations. So here you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and then go to settings, and my settings are ready to use. So here you can go to help section and it is placed followed by account settings. So in help section have 3 subcategories. So here I try to select help center, and now my Android mobile browser is opening. So here you can go to managing your account and the second one. So now this time you can select delete your account and the same second one. So here it asks for 3 categories, but this video is about temporarily account deactivate process. So I try to select how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account and the first one. But unfortunately this section does not have any deactivate link. So here it only shows how to deactivate the Instagram via Instagram official website, but it does not describe about how to do that process by using your Instagram application. So anyway, just scroll down. So now this time you can press that second category, how do I delete my Instagram account. So just scroll down. So and then press this link, delete your account. But sometimes they ask for your account login details, so you can complete these processes. So here I try to select not now, but here it shows permanent account delete instructions, but you can press this link temporarily disable, and it is highlighted as blue color link, and they ask for valid reason. So you can put any one of the reason, and this is mandatory one. And one more time you can type your Insta password, and this is for verification process. So once you type your password and then press this option temporarily disable account, and it asks for confirmation message, so you can select yes. So anyway, overall I complete my tutorial about Instagram account deactivate process. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.